How do you get the best price at dealership? I'm giving you the secret sauce right there to help you get a better price. Today's video, we're going to be talking about how to get the best price at the dealership. How do you get the best price at dealership? Well, let me tell you. You go to a dealership and you have a conversation with the salesperson. You say, well, you know what? Can I get the best price on the vehicle? And the salesperson says, you know what? The vehicle's going for $24,000. And you say, is that your best price? Salesperson says, yes. Well, you say to the salesperson, so, I'm buying this car from you for $24,000, but I'm not going to be your last customer. I'm going to send my friends, my family to you. I have a cousin, I have a daughter, I have someone else that's looking for a vehicle. Matter of fact, I have 2 or 3 people that's going to be looking for a vehicle. They're just waiting for me to get my first vehicle and make sure that you take care of me. Then you also want to say to that salesperson, I'm going to come back to the dealership for service. When you tell that salesperson that you're going to send them business, you're going to also get your vehicle service there at the dealership. And if you need the body shop, you're going to use the body shop. But the most important thing after you buy your car is getting your vehicle service at that dealership. That's how you get your price lowered. Because you know what? You say, I'm going to send you business to you. So not only are you going to eat off of me once and be able to pay your bills or get money off me one time, but you're going to get referrals from me. And that person that I send to you, they're going to send you business too. So let that salesperson know you're just not trying to do one deal with them. You're trying to send your friends, your family to them. That's how you get a better price on that price besides paying sticker price at $24,000. You negotiate. What can you give them? After you purchase a car from them, what can you give them? Think about that. So when you go look to buy or lease your next car, that's negotiation. That's no negotiating. I'm giving you the secret sauce right there to help you get a better price. It's not one time. It's selling your family, selling your friends' car. Not them making money off of you once, but making money off of everybody else. Do that next time you're looking to get a car. And then let me know how it come out. But if you're watching this video, you know what to do. Go on over to my YouTube channel, Regina, the Queen of Car Loans and Credit, and like my YouTube channel. I'll see you on the next video.